What's up?
What are you doing?
This
What's this?
AC compressor change?
AC compressor. Good story. He has to take off the headlight, the cruise control box to get all that shit out of the way so he can rest the AC compressor on it. Hurry up, Clayton. I'm hungry. Hurry up. Do you have snap ring pliers?
I do not, but we can go.
Wow.
Let me go buy the refrigerator. We can go grab some.
Refrigerator? What are you talking about?
I don't know, man.
We're not evacuating the system.
Oh, we're not?
Holy shit, dude.
I don't know, man.
Alright, take it all off. Move that all the way.
Bruh, just let me work.
No, I'm not. I'm telling you what to do. Move the cruise control box all the way to the right. Unplug it. You're gonna need to get as much room as possible because you're gonna need to put the AC compressor where the headlight's at. So yeah, move that all the way to the right. Unplug it from the clips. Take off the headlight.
Okay.
Come on, man. Come on. YouTubers are watching you right now.
What YouTubers?
My 3,000 subscribers.
You finally hit 3K?
I think I need like 8 more, and I'll be at 3,000 already.
8 subscribers?
Yeah, I think so.
You're looking at this morning, weren't you?
Oh, I look at it every day, dude. What the fuck?
For Animal Crossing, you're like playing Animal Crossing. Like,
Oh my god.
just watching it slowly go down.
I should do Let's Play of Animal Crossing, and since it's downtime for me right now. I have another YouTube channel with just video game stuff. I have 2 YouTube channels. No, 3.
Gaming?
No, it's called Arcade Replay. But I upload just random bullshit, like random video game stuff. $20, you have that bolt on the side of the headlight. Watch. Because it looks like it's still even. Ah, you dropped it.
Yeah, it's whatever.
It's whatever. Did it hit the floor or is it going to rub on something and damage it?
Oh!
Lucky, dude.
$20. $20.
Nah, get out of here. You owe me money, dude. What the fuck? Unplug it if you have to.
That's what I'm doing.
Come on, Clayton. My subscribers are watching you right now. Does this card look familiar? AC compressor. Take off this one 12mm and those 2 at the bottom. The AC compressor should come off and sit right here. And he's gonna service it right here. Got the new one right here. We're gonna steal the clutch out of it.
Thank you. Got y'all.
Asshole.
You're welcome.
No. Well, I got mine off. Now he has to take his off, but he can't. He's having a hard time.
It's almost off.
Almost is not enough. So there's 2 snap rings. Clayton went to go buy this cheapo AutoZone one, but it worked. But it's first this one over here, which is held on by this snap ring, and then the other snap ring is held on as a pulley. Clayton, are you ready?
Hold on. I'm gonna get a new phone this year. I have the XS, but the 11's trash. It's the same phone pretty much with the better camera. Charge the same price.
Got the new AC clutch. We ended up soldering some wire on, some solder on it. Got to repair the damage right here. So now we got to put the snap ring on. It's back on. Now throw it in the car. Mister, I didn't do shit. I made
What the hell do you
did it all.
mean?
Jeez. pretty much rebuilt this AC by myself.
I help on like
No, unlike
more
who?
than 50%.
He said unlike. He was about to say unlike Seabass.
Yes.
So old one. Well, that's a good compressor, but this one's bad clutch, bad pulley, and bad, I guess, engager. I don't know.
I bet it's a D&V. Hold on. That's good.
Hurry up.
I'm done.
You gotta put the cruise control back on and plug it in.
Yeah, I just gotta
Should be done. Go for it. Turn it off. What the hell?
My music's on.
I know it's fine. This probably won't recognize it if I speak over it really loud so the music doesn't play. Clayton, what happened with the compressor?
He's broken.
It's broken. Why?
I don't know, man. Celica's.
So I guess we gotta use Edgar's AC compressor. Edgar, once again, to the rescue.
Always to the rescue. Always to the rescue.
Try now. Pump to gauge the AC.
Pretty simple. And then if you like those, actually the LED strips in my car.
Finally got it working.
I added the same headlights you have to my car.
Got 03 tails on it. But she's good. We gotta fill the AC system and it's done. Car's fixed. Clayton, what happened?
AC compressor work.
Yeah?
I guess.
See you, Nick.
Adios, Nick. Thanks for help.
Jeez. Now you gotta clean up, man. Look at this mess. I'll clean up the pizza, though.
Fucking fatties.